goes Wallace around as he is hit with the 11. More contact as the 11 gets tagged by the 88. And we have carnage in turn number 2.
It's not like we couldn't see this coming. I mean, the drivers are getting more and more aggressive.
That's Andrew Ranger. He had just gotten back on the lead lap. There's what's left of Mike Wallace's car on the restart. And Stevens a little hot under the collar at Brian Scott. Here we go. Boy, Annette almost gets into it as well. And this is from Stevens' point of view. From Eric Almirola's car.
Yeah, just cars all slowed down the corner in this restart. Tires aren't warm, they're not up to speed. Everybody gets a freebie on that one, in my opinion.